Well, temperatures in the low 90s for highs today under partly cloudy skies in our Roofing 911 Skycam network over in Orange. Sponsored by the Horseman's Western Store, we expect temperatures to be in the low 90s again tomorrow, possibly reaching the mid 90s though for Wednesday and Thursday as high pressure gets a little bit closer. Hot, humid, dry this week. Heat index anywhere from 103, the lower 100s in the Triangle, to 110 at times up in the Lakes area. Right now 90 in Jasper, 88 Beaumont, 87 Orange, 89 degrees in Port Arthur. Across the rest of the state, pretty hot too. 91 Houston, 92 College Station. Actually, these temperatures are normal for this time of the year, by the way, lower normal, but we should reach the mid 90s for a couple of days by the middle of the week as that high that's over West Texas begins to build eastward and gets a little bit closer to us. The heat index forecast tomorrow looks pretty hot again. We'll have some lower 100s here in the Triangles. What it'll feel like, it'll feel like 105, 106 up in the Lakes tomorrow afternoon as we continue with some fairly high humidity levels across the region. Across the state, pretty quiet. A couple of thunderstorms developing out over the west. The storm track well to the north of us. And moisture in the mid-atmosphere has finally dried out. We're not expecting any rain anytime soon. This gray and brown shading color here, that's dry air at about 10,000 feet in the atmosphere. So with that dry air in place aloft, we're not expecting any chance of rain really at all as we head through the weekend, maybe on in to next week. Because of high pressure in the upper atmosphere, that'll continue to build slowly to the east, keeping the storm track well to our north and well to our east the next several days. In fact, it'll build even closer as we head toward, let's say, the weekend, and then eventually shifts off to the northeast, but you can see still close enough to us to keep our weather dry even a week from today. Futurecast overnight, temperatures only slowly falling throughout the upper 70s for lows, like 77, 78 for a low coming up tomorrow morning. And throughout the day tomorrow, another hot day coming up with lower 90s expected and not quite as breezy tomorrow, but we'll have south winds off the Gulf with highs in the lower 90s. Under partly cloudy skies in the morning, then it should become mostly sunny in the afternoon tomorrow as the air dries out just about 4,000 or 5,000 feet above the ground. Your marine forecast, south to southwest winds tomorrow up to 15 knots, water temperature at 87 degrees. Tonight becoming mostly clear. Overnight lows mid to upper 70s in the Lakes area to upper 70s here in the Triangle with light south winds. Winds certainly not a factor the next several nights, that's for sure. And for tomorrow, partly cloudy, then becoming mostly sunny and hot. Highs will be in the low 90s Triangle, around about 93, 94 up in the Lakes area. 7-day forecast with that high over us and building in the next several days. Just don't see any rain at all. Highs will be in the low to mid 90s. Lows at night will be in the 70s. So got all that rain this past weekend, and now we're heading for some dry weather for at least 6-7 days.